यहाँ पर स्वयं श्रीमती राधिका अपने अनुभव विचार देवांगना कृष्ण के जरिए बता रहे हैं। तो प्रेम की स्वरूप क्या है?
Hare Krishna and pranams.
प्रेम की स्वरूप
So we were discussing about Prema Sampada Grantha, and we came at a point where Srimati Radhika is sharing her experiences and feelings. What is the form of love? Love is the only feelings of heart.
विचार नहीं करके प्रेम करें अथवा प्रेम की स्वरूप अनुभव नहीं होता है।
So Maharaj is telling that if you love unconditionally, you can experience the love, and if you love conditionally, you cannot experience this love.
कोई विचार बुद्धि के द्वारा वो नहीं जान सकते।
And you cannot come to know with your material speculations. We cannot come to know about this love. The love is such a thing that you will always think about the happiness of others. Like a
जो विचार करते हैं उन्हें प्रेम का अनुभव प्राप्त नहीं होता है तथा प्रेम की उपलब्धि होने से अन्य किसी के बोध का उदय नहीं हो सकता। विचार के द्वारा समस्त शास्त्रों से जाना जा सकता है। विचार करके ज्ञान आदि शास्त्रादि अध्ययन करके
so Maharaj is telling,
आपके ज्ञान हो सकता है।
by discussing you can have the knowledge, but you cannot have the experience by discussion.
यदि कोई व्यक्ति प्रेम तत्व जानने के इच्छुक किसी अन्य व्यक्ति को प्रेम समझाने की चेष्टा करता है तो वह जो कुछ भी समझता है तथा उसकी उक्ति से ही कुछ अनुभव होता है जो केवल विडंबना मात्र है। विडंबना
Cheating.
विडंबना क्यों बात है?
Cheating.
जो संभव नहीं असंभव वस्तु की प्रयास करना है,
ये वास्तविकता नहीं।
महाराज कौन सा श्लोक है? श्लोक नंबर
52। वो विडंबना मात्र।
So, O Saki, suppose someone wants to grasp the nature of prema and tries to explain it to another, even though he has no realization of it himself. In that case, he who tries to explain it is cheating, and any realization resulting from those words is simply a fraud. Yes, it is verse number 52. Samagri. So what are the ingredients of love? There are 49 types of ingredients to this love, and it is called as these are the ingredients of love. Mainly Vibhav, Anubhav, Satvik, Vyabhichari Bhav, all this. Sanchari Bhav. But when we realize practically about this Prema Tattva, Rasa Tattva, in Shastras it is mentioned
49 types of ingredients जब स्थायी मार्ग के साथ वो आते तब प्रेम एक स्वरूप धारण करता है और उस प्रेम को समझ सकते हैं। इस जगत में जो प्रेम हम कहा
So Maharaj is telling that this love is then obtained when it is along with Krishna Tattva, and that is called love. And rest all others is not the actual love. In this material world there is a love, but that is not the spiritual love, that is material love. Like how Deha Deha Sambandha, the bodily attachment and the mind's play. So in this world many people say, I love my mother and mother is great. In all the materialistic people they say mother's love is the topmost. And you cannot compare the love of mother with anyone. Like how mother does the love unconditionally, no one can does in this material world. So if anybody can show like mother's love is Putana. How? From externally she is showing love like mother, but internally she has the intention to kill. But externally she is showing more love than the mother. But in Shastras it is mentioned that no one cannot give you more love than the mother. So if somebody is showing love more than your mother, then you should understand that they are something like Putana. In the transcendental world, this love is shown as the topmost, which has only with gopis, and even in the gopis, the Radharani is the topmost, who possess this pure love. So we were speaking about this transcendental love and also comparing the material love. So we are speaking about transcendental love and we are speaking about material love also, because we give some example. Why? To show the comparison between the both and to certify that transcendental love is the eternal and always. So even a mother, she does love, she feeds, she chastises, so many things. In the same way, in the transcendental world also, Mother Yashoda to her son Gopal, she was doing same thing. She was feeding, playing, chastising, so many. So like in the materialistic world, love, same kind of love we can see in the transcendental world also. But the materialistic love is extreme. Since there is a similarity between transcendental and material world, we give example from this material world also. So in this way it is said the form of love is cannot expressed by words and it has to be felt by the experience. And transcendental, and when we reach the back to Godhead transcendental world through our spiritual body, then we can experience this kind of love. So if there is a dumb person who cannot speak, and if you give him rasgulla and ask him how is the rasgulla, will be able to speak? No. Only with his feelings he can express it, but he cannot speak.
भावों के द्वारा व्यक्त की वो बहुत मीठा था, स्वादिष्ट था, इतने तक का माने तुम्हें सब भाव के द्वारा व्यक्त कर सकते हैं, भाषा के द्वारा
व्यक्त नहीं कर सकते. So this cannot be expressed by words, it can be expressed only by our emotions. So our Acharya Paths also say this love is Samyak Roop Anubhav, means one has to experience it personally. Like how example is given in from Brihad Bhagavatamrit Granth by Sri Sanatana Goswami. He mentions the experience of this love. This materialistic word love is also experienced, but it is mixture of three modes of nature: Kam, Krodh, Bhaya, Moha and all other things. छोड़ देता है,
कैसे करेंगे?
निकाल देता है. So you love someone in this material world, and if there is some little problem they cannot tolerate, and what they will do? They will just give up you. So this is the materialistic love. Like Maharaj gave example, in the milk if there is some very small insect, we just remove it from our hand. In the same way they also remove us from their heart. So our Sanatana Goswami Pad has mentioned all these kinds of stories. We accept the love, we respect it, but in this material world the love is such a thing, like if any small insects fall on the milk they just throw it. So it is like this. In this material world this kind of love, why? Because the love is mixed with selfishness. But in the transcendental world it is not like this. It is always eternal and pure. So when we explain about this love from our Rupa Goswami Pad in Ujjwal Nilmani Granth and Sanatana Goswami Pad in the Brihad Bhagavatamrit Granth, Chaitanya Charitamrit Granth, the transcendental words love Vyabhichari Bhav se Sai Bhav. Ingredients. So in the transcendental world, when you go in the Sthai Bhav, and there is a 49 kinds of ingredients are manifested, and at that time love is also manifested along with these 49 ingredients. One is Sthai Bhav. These 49 ingredients: Dasya, Sakya, Vatsalya, Madhurya. The 5 Mukhya Ras, and one is Sthai Bhav. Sthai Bhav means one will become the staunch, like sometimes Sakya will be the condensed, or Madhurya or Vatsalya, as per that you can select. And Ashta Satvik Vihar, 33 kinds of Vyabhichari Bhav and other Bhavs. 33 plus 6, 5, 33 plus 5, 6, 1, 8, 38. 38 और एक Sthai Bhav, 39. 39 हो गया.
और 8 जो है क्या बोला, सात्विक विकार,
1 स्थाई भाव, 8 अष्ट सात्विक विहार, टोटल 9. Now
और 7 जो है दोनों भाव आ गया उसमें
16 हो गया पूरा. 7 9 और 7 16.
एक कहाँ गया
गुण भाव, एक स्थाई भाव,
हाँ
8 सात्विक
8 सात्विक 9 हो गया.
और 7 दोनों भाग
16 हो गया. हाँ. गौणरस, हास्य, अद्भुत, विभत्स 16
16 और 33 33 और
16 हो गया महाराज.
यहाँ पे एक स्थायी भाव,
एक स्थायी भाव,
1 स्थाई भाव, 8 अष्ट सात्विक विहार,
गौण
7 गौणरस, प्रेम, भया, मैत्री, परस्पर वैरी भाव,
16 16
33 जो है
टोटल 16.
33 और 16 कितने हुए
49
एंड
हिसाब लगा लो
33
ये 49 जो है इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो
so 33 and this 16,
ये स्थायी भाव कहते हैं, ये कोई
so total 49.
स्थायी शब्द क्या है स्थायी बासिंदा है, हमें कोई निकाल नहीं सकते, हम एलियंस थोड़ी है.
Sthai bhav cannot be shown. We are not aliens, we cannot show.
तुम कहाँ सीखा योग, उसमें दूसरी बात हमारे जन्म का तो हमारे अधिकार है. हम लोग दूसरे देश में आते हैं तो
So as by birth we are the citizens of India and different people are from the different citizens, in the same way citizenship sthai. So citizenship is like something permanent. Sthai bhav means permanent, fixed.
उसमें रजिस्टर होता है, तो उस समय से ही आपके ये बन जाता है. आज समझ लो, तो स्थायी भाव उसी का
Fixed.
है, जिससे कोई परिवर्तन नहीं होगा.
So sthai bhav which cannot be changed, it is always fixed.
आज दूसरे के ऊपर स्पिट करा दिया, जैसे समुद्र की जल है लहरियां जो है
Like the waves of the ocean,
स्पिट करा है. स्पिट समझो लगता है आप डाउन
it is always up and down like waves are formed. In the same way sthai bhav is fixed, and all these bhavs are just like coming above the sthai bhav. Sthai bhav is like the ocean and the waves are compared to other bhavs here.
वो 33 होगा क्या?
Okay, 33 types of sanchari bhav.
संचारी के समूह रूप में चाहे होती स्थायी भाव को स्पिट कराने के लिए इसमें प्रभाव चल रहा है.
So these 33 kinds of sanchari bhav are like the waves on the sthai bhav.
हाँ, इसलिए यहाँ पर कहीं प्रेम वास्तव रूप में राधा साधना की कहानी कौन करे? राधा की कहानी किसको? देवांगना होता है. देवांगना कौन है?
Krishna disguise.
तात्पर्य है कि प्रेम वस्तुतः सब अनुभव संवेद तथा निरूपम है. उसे भाषा के द्वारा प्रकाशित नहीं किया जा सकता है जब तक अपने हृदय.
Prema is the most excellent of topics and it cannot be described in words. It disappears upon being analyzed and becomes even more concealed when it is not. Prema is incomparable and it can only be experienced by itself. Language cannot eliminate it and it cannot be understood by hearing about it. For one in whose art it has not manifest. It is simply fruitlessness labor to try to understand or explain prem, because understanding it is purely dependent upon experiencing it.
उसमें क्या करना चाहिए?
Prem disappears when it is analyzed.
प्रेम अनुभव,
This was
अनुभव जब तक नहीं हो,
discussed in the explanation of the previous verse. It cannot manifest in a heart.
अनुभव निर्भर विचार करने पर प्रेम अंतर्निहित हो जाता है। और इस विषय पर कुछ वस्तुओं की व्याख्या में चर्चा की गई है। तो प्रेम ऐसी वस्तु है, प्रेम स्वाभाविक होता है।
So love is such a thing, it is natural. And if you analyze this love,
विचार नहीं करके प्रेम करो, वो भी प्रेम नहीं मिलता है।
it is not love. And if you do not analyze, that is also not love.
हाँ, इसके प्रेम करता हूँ।
I love this particular person. Whom? What you love? I love his character. No, that is not the love. His character is good,
इसलिए हम प्रेम करता हूँ।
so you are loving for that. And one more thing,
ये क्या हो गया?
this person has more wealth, so I love him. So that is also not love. So if he is a not wealthy, then love will not come in you. The same love will be destroyed in one day.
प्रेम क्या है? उपाधि रहित।
Love is unconditional.
ऐसे प्रेम की परिभाषा भी उसी प्रकार है। समुपाधि
Vinirmuktam.
तत्परित्रम निर्मल। इसी के
Sevanam Bhaktiruttama.
भक्ति की जो परिभाषा अभी देती है, वही भक्ति परिपक्व भक्ति प्रेम में अपना धारण करते हैं। समझ रहे?
So,
उपाधि जब
without title, designation, the love is without designation.
समस्त प्रकार के उपाधि से वो निर्मुक्त होता है। इसलिए सर्वोपाधि विनिर्मुक्तम तत्परित्रम निर्मलम। इसी के सेवनम भक्ति उच्यते। भक्ति की जो परिभाषा दिया गया है, उसी प्रकार उपाधि रहित। ये ज्ञानी है, विद्वान है, पंडित है, धनी है, इसलिए इसे सब प्रेम करता है। तो उपाधि हो गया, तो प्रेम वो प्रेम निर्मल प्रेम नहीं होता है।
So this love, if you have with upadhi, with designation, this is not the pure love.
इस विषय प्रबंध में अर्थात हृदय में जिस समय अब विचार नहीं करो तो प्रेम भी नहीं होगा।
And if you analyze, then it is not love. And if you do not analyze, that is also not love.
विचार नहीं करो मतलब क्या है?
If you analyze, you understood now. If you analyze how love is not, and if you not analyze, how to understand this?
आप आपको देगा। जैसे एक प्रकार फल होता है, गुंजा फल होता है।
फल है
गुंजा फल
जो देखने में आग जैसा,
गुंजा फल
लेकिन उसमें जलाने की शक्ति नहीं है।
अरे ये फल लाल लाल होता है।
So Maharaj is explaining the example here how the love is not formed when you not analyze also. Previously we heard about how love is not formed when you analyze. So now how the love is not formed when we not analyze. So there is one particular fruit called Gunja Fal, that is the form of Srimati Radharani, they say, and they always wear around the neck of Giriraj Govardhan. And this looks like a fireball, reddish. And if you think that is a fire, will it give the heat? So the essence is, so the identity stays inside the thing. Identity.
तो वस्तु की क्रिया जो वस्तु नहीं है उसके वस्तु ज्ञान करके कोई काल्पनिक,
And if there is no identity in a particular thing and you just imagining and it may not be the perfect.
आग जलेगा, जो आग नहीं है और उसके ऊपर हाथ रख-
If you think fire and if you put your hand in the fire, your hand will burn. And if there is no fire and if you think there is a fire and if you touch,
जहाँ तक
your hand will not burn.
प्रेम भी रखते, प्रेम भी अपने स्वरूप भी रखते हैं। जहाँ काम प्रेम कर दो थोड़ी होगा, चिट हो जाएगा। एक दुष्ट व्यक्ति के साथ आपने प्रेम करो।
So love is also a form.
रामचरितमानस
If you love someone without analyzing some bad person, then you will be cheated.
ये हाँ। तो छल कपट व्यक्ति के साथ कोई प्रेम करे,
If you love, in Ramcharitmanas Tulsidas is writing, if you love any fraud and cheating person,
उससे आपके प्रेम नहीं होगा।
that is not a true love. He will not give you the true love
आप प्रताड़ित हो जाओगे।
and you will be cheated.
व्यक्ति, कपट व्यक्ति आपके पैसा देकर के आपके प्रेम
This fraud and cheating person will see your love and give back the love to you.
धीरे-धीरे आपके सारे पैसे का रेट
Slowly, slowly, or one day he will loot all your wealth and he will throw you and he will go.
व्यक्ति के साथ करना नहीं चाहिए।
We should not love a fraud person.
प्रेम कहाँ पर करना है नहीं करना है ये भी आपको विचार करना है। जहाँ तक करने से थोड़ी होता है।
So where to do, what to do, how to do this love, there are very sensitive matter.
वस्तु में प्रेम का आविर्भाव नहीं हो सकता है और प्रेम के आविर्भाव के बाद यदि हृदय में विचार बुद्धि जागृत होती है तो
Prema disappears when it analyzed.
नहीं रह सकता।
This was discussed in the explanation of the previous verse. It cannot okay.
अर्थात प्रेम के आविर्भाव की पूर्व
It cannot manifest in a heart that is intent on analyzing it, and if the intelligence to analyze it appears after it has awakened in the heart, prem cannot remain here. One may not leave the slightest tendency to analyze prem, but still unless one meditates on whether nor not one's action are pleasing to Sri Krishna, it will not manifest in one's heart. Now, even though the slightest tendency to analyze prem may be absent, it still will not manifest in one's heart unless one meditates on whether or not one's action are pleasing to Sri Krishna. This is because prem is found only in the person whose natural tendency deep in the heart is to act entirely for Sri Krishna's pleasure. So Maharaj is telling here Bhakti's definition, Anya Bilashitam Shunyam, Anukulyena Krishnanushilanam, desiring and acting as per the desire of Krishna, seeing the love of Krishna, what Krishna loves, I do that. So Devangana is asking Radharani, why do you do man? Why do you give pain to Krishna? A lover will never give a pain for his beloved. When Krishna disappeared from Rasa, all the gopis started to think like this or ask like this, why do you give so much sorrow for us, Krishna, like that? Although you love us, we love you, why do you give so much sorrow? So Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad is telling the lover will always find or act to the happiness of his beloved. They always give happiness. For the pleasure of the beloved, for the love of the beloved, they give up everything. The love is never seeing individual or selfish. So what is Radharani wanting here? she wants the pleasure of Krishna.
के सुख के लिए कृष्ण सब कुछ कर
And even Krishna also giving the pleasure of Srimati Radharani. So why Krishna is going to Chandravali's Kunja?
सुख है कि नहीं है?
Is there a happiness of Srimati Radharani or not?
बोले है।
Yes, it is there.
पाओगे।
You cannot understand.
बोले क्यों? ये
Why?
चंद्रावली के कुंज में जाने से राधा की जो मान करती है, जो मान में जो शब्द आदमी बोलते हैं,
So when Radharani, Krishna goes to Chandravali Kunj and Radharani does man by knowing this. And with the man she starts to chastise Krishna, and this is the pleasure of Krishna. In Brahmar Geet, Shukdev Goswami is mentioning here that Srimati Radharani, when she does the man, she speaks so ill words for Krishna. Just to hear these words, he came in the form of bumblebee, and this bumblebee is no different from Krishna. Krishna.
कोई मानवती अवस्था में कृष्ण जो राधा जी के स्तुति में नॉनसेंस रसकर जो कुछ भी कह रहे हैं, कृष्ण उसके सुन के आनंद होता है। ये कहते प्रियादिनी मान करी करे भक्सन वेदस्तुति होइते हरि गुरु, कृष्ण के आनंद होता है। वेदन के मुख से ये सर्वत्र कथा सुन के आनंद होता है। राधा जी मान क्यों करती है?
So why does Radharani does man?
इसमें कृष्ण के सुख क्या होता है? राधा जी
What is the pleasure here of Krishna? What is the pleasure of Srimati Radharani?
कहते हैं, राधा जी जानते हैं, मैं जिस प्रकार कृष्ण के सुख दे सकता हूँ।
So here Srimati Radharani is thinking like how
क्योंकि चंद्रावली में
I give pleasure to Krishna, Chandravali cannot give that. Because the topmost Madanakya Mahabhav is not present in Chandravali.
जो मदनाक्य महाभारत की पोटेंशियल चंद्रावली में नहीं है, तो चंद्रावली कृष्ण की
When this Madanakya Mahabhav potential is not in Chandravali, how she can give pleasure to Lord Krishna?
को प्राप्ति नहीं करके चंद्रावली के साथ मिल करके कृष्ण के जो आनंद नहीं होगा, तो कृष्ण के क्या
And without this Madanakya Mahabhav, Krishna cannot be given complete pleasure. So by thinking this, that Krishna is not pleased by Chandravali, Srimati Radharani is very sad, and she does man for Krishna. That is also for the pleasure of Lord Krishna. Love is such a thing you cannot understand. We may not understand, but we just hear. But by hearing this, so much pleasure we get. By hearing Harikatha, we get such a pleasure. So, Srimad Bhagavatam, it is mentioned like how the newly married couples to hear the wife's words, the husband will be very anchoring. So Rupa Goswami is mentioning this, we are not telling. Since she is very shy, she speaks very slowly. She speaks very slowly. Sometimes words are audible and sometimes words are not audible. So this man, her husband, is always very attentively trying to hear what she is telling. दिल से बात करते हैं।
क्या बोलते हैं?
मधुचंद्रिमा।
उसने जब पहली
So Maharaj is telling this newly married couple at their first night.
विवाह की बात कैसे मिलन को हमें पता नहीं है।
How they speak very slowly. We do not know. Maharaj is telling how they speak, even we do not know, but whatever is written, we are telling that.
और उसके पति एक एक शब्द के जैसे कान खड़ा करके सुनते रहते। उसने
लाल की जय।
हमारे रूप गोस्वामी पाद वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं। क्या बोली सब?
Our Rupa Goswami Pad is mentioning like this.
आनंद होता है उसमें, इतने आनंद होता है। ये नाम की महिमा उसमें वर्णन कर रहे हैं। आप वो ग्रंथ पढ़ो, पद्यावली ग्रंथ में।
So if you read the Padyavali Grantha,
नाम की महिमा वर्णन करते हुए
the glories of Harinam is mentioned. Our Rupa Goswami Pad, he writes a beautiful shloka, very beautiful shloka, and if you read that shloka, you just keep on laughing so much. So beautiful it is. Harinam is so beautiful, by which it gives such a pleasure that we are not able to stop the Harinam. And Rupa Goswami is also giving example that newly married couple in their first night, like they are kissing 100 times, 1000 times on the first night. In the same way, Harinam is also giving such a pleasure, you don't like to give up chanting. So this is the example given by Rupa Goswami Pad in Padyavali. So Maharaj is telling, one time okay, two time okay, three time okay. Giving so many times, kisses 100 times, I cannot understand this.
पद्यावली
आनंद आएगा। बोले नाम की महिमा क्या है? जिससे हृदय में नाम की अनुभव हो जाता है, नाम छोड़ना नहीं चाहता। और उसी के उदाहरण दे रहे हैं, ये सारे उदाहरण दिया, बहुत उदाहरण है। निकाल जाएगा।
If you read this, you will just keep laughing, and you may think Rupa Goswami Pad is brahmachari. How he can understand all these things? The newly coupled got married and go in the first night, they are doing all these things.
देखा वो भी देखते नहीं है। माता पिता ने जो लड़की को पसंद करके शादी करके, वो भी कभी देखा नहीं। अभी कई बार एक दूसरे से मिलन हो रहे हैं। उस समय जो ये बताने जा रहे हैं। रूप गोस्वामी पाद बाल ब्रह्मचारी है।
Rupa Goswami Pad is brahmachari from his child and is mentioning all these kinds of things. How is it possible? You just keep laughing if you understand this properly. So the transcendental people will have all kinds of knowledge. This topmost Sant Mahatma devotees, they have both the knowledge, transcendental and material, both. You don't think they don't know anything. They don't know anything. If you think this spiritual master doesn't know anything, what I have done and I came, so the topmost devotees knows everything, but they will not tell anything. भेद नहीं है, धोखा नहीं देना. No one can cheat Guru and Bhagavan. Whatever you do, whatever you are not doing, everything they know.
ये सोचते हैं गुरुदेव कुछ नहीं जानते हैं, गुरुदेव कुछ नहीं जानते हैं। मैं तो बिल्कुल क्या बोले तुलसी पत्ता गंगा पत्ता गंगा जल के दुहा कुछ नहीं जानते।
We may think that Lord, the Gurudev does not know anything, but it's false. Gurudev knows everything. And Rup Goswami Pad also, he knows everything, material knowledge and spiritual knowledge. No one can cheat them. And Gaur Govind Maharaj was telling like this, oh, you stupid nonsense, you just go and associate with the prostitute and came and reading Bhagavatam here. He used to do association with the prostitutes and used to read the Bhagavatam. So how come Gaur Govind Das Maharaj came to know about this? Because he is the topmost devotee. The topmost devotees, you cannot cheat them. This is because prema is found only in a person whose natural tendency deep in the heart and act eternally for Sri Krishna's pleasure. Unless one meditates on whether or not one's actions are pleasing to Krishna, the tendency to act solely for his happiness will not arise in the heart. In that case, only the tendency to perform activities to fulfill the desire for one's own happiness will appear, and then prema cannot arise. So this is the translation of Srila Gurudev in the Prem Sampad Grantha, and tomorrow we will continue this. Devotees, there is a request. If you do not understanding the translation, if there is any changes, please write us. Hare Krishna. Dandat Pranam.